think I've gone mad. I bought a completely useless box. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Right, I bought this because I've been watching some videos on YouTube and I wanted one. Simple as. This is the Moody Useless Box. And it is exactly what it says. It's a completely, well, it's a useless box, which is quite moody. Yeah, the original useless box was you flick this switch and then something on the inside, the door opened and then it turned the switch off. That's all it did, but I had to get one. This was £10 on eBay. So yeah, had to get it. I was hoping with it being like this, it'd be like a kit. I could actually make it, but unfortunately, it's already made. So yeah, for £10 it was worth a bit of a thing for it. So yeah, instructions inside are, let me just check that it's not a sales invoice. Yeah, peel off the protective layer. So in other words, it's all together, but you've got all that anyway. 3 AAA batteries. Luckily, I've got a pot full next to me, thanks to Christmas. And there is the useless Moody box, covered in polystyrene. Well, that's a bit better. Oh, now I'm covered in polystyrene. Great. So there's a screw sticking out here. So I think it's one of these ones like the what do you call it now? The monster joysticks where these screws, the nuts go in, and actually to assemble this. Ooh, hello. Oh, I suppose that's troublesome. Okay, it's like you put the nut in here, but then the nut will fly straight into the box. So you have to kind of hold it over there and then put your screw in. I don't think that's actually any problem with it. I mean, why is that? Is it there? I don't know. It's obviously something somebody hasn't screwed together right. But hey ho, switch on the bottom. I assume somewhere there's some batteries. I think it's this panel here you need to remove and put batteries in. I do wonder if it's actually got any batteries already in it. So let's turn it on and let's see. No. Okay, so unless it's already on. Right, okay. So, no. I'm puzzled with that bit. What's the inner mechanism is, there's a switch there, or there's actually a motor there, which will open the door, and then this finger will command turn the switch off, which is great, but I need to get into to change batteries, so I need to undo. That's not being put in properly either. Okay, maybe I could just loosen it and it'll pop out. Yeah, I need a screwdriver. If I was a screwdriver, where would it be? There it'd be. Right, so let me just loosen that one a little bit. So hopefully it'll come out. There we go. Okay, so that's quite good. That's all right. So it's not as bad as the monster joystick one, where the screw would just drop off. Oh, the nut would drop off inside here. So put a battery in. Double A's. Take 3. These are part of our Christmas lights and stuff like that, so some might work, some might not work. So puzzle where that goes. Oh, there's actually see through into there. Oh, that's quite good. You can actually see inside all the gubbins and stuff, which I can't really see, but I'll probably figure out in a moment or 10. Whoa! Battery just shot out at me. Where exactly that piece of plastic goes. Unless it's an option for a different model, I don't know. So, let's put that back in, close that off, close that in. Oh, that should hold it in place a little bit. Doesn't seem to fit properly. As I put 2 bigger batteries in? No, it's just being silly now. Okay, no, it doesn't really want to go. Okay, so let's just hold that in place for the time being, shall we? Right, let's start this off. Haha, you thought I didn't know what I was doing there. It's not switched on at the bottom. I can hear a buzzing. Definitely hear a buzzing, so I think it's working. So, let's turn it on. Not sure if it's working or not. You coming out at all? This is just. Is it broke? Why is they don't? So why is that motor going down to the bottom? Yeah, there's something definitely not right here, is there? So, should we try and see if I can mend it before I actually play with it? Right then, shall we do this again? Right, I figured out what this part's for. It's actually for this top bit here. They must have sent two for no reason, because it is exactly the same part as this part right here. So I can ignore that for a bit, unless that's got a tendency of breaking, I don't know. So, turn on the Moody box. It's all covered in dust, and that really is sharp. Right, okay. So let's zoom you in a little, and let's just watch what goes on. More straighter, there we go. And in the middle. Cool. So, ooh, hello. Very slow. It is Moody, isn't it? I was going to suggest that you could actually mess around with it by just loosening the switch and turning it round or turn to the side, but it would come out, but it wouldn't turn the thing off, so you'd just be messing yourself up. Turn it off for it. So the command in there to do what it's doing, if I turn it on and off, it still does the command. So it not only is it a Moody useless box, it's actually quite stupid. So you might as well do it that way. The standard Moody box, the useless boxes are switch, and then the arm comes out, and the arm itself opens a door on the top. Whereas this at least gives you a little bit of that. You could do it with the actual arm itself. For some reason this is just twitching. I don't know why this is twitching. The problem with it before was there was why is it twitching? That's like it's got a short circuit somewhere. Yeah, the batteries weren't exactly right. So if we open the door, and that will open give a bit of a sass, and then turn it off. And I've got the templates on this. I can actually mount this somewhere where it would do something. And just be a little bit of a hidden switch or an exposed switch that nobody know about. You could make this into like a, I don't know, make it into some sort of animal. So you switch something, and then it might be its tongue would come out or its finger would come out. It's like one of those, used to get them, the money grabbers. You put a penny on your money box, and this skeleton hand would come out and take it in. Very similar to that, but obviously it's just completely useless because there's literally no use at all for this. I wonder if I can break it. Okay. So we've gone through its sequence. Oh no. Oh, don't think it was happy with that. I mean, obviously for the sensitivity, but this could actually be mounted a little higher, possibly. By a tiny bit, I think it would be probably better about being about there. So it's just under it. So any would be a lot. Yeah. But that's just concerning me a little bit, with the, oh. I just decided to stop there. I don't know how many sequences there are to this. It must be like 20 or something, I don't know. Obviously a standard. Oh, that's not a standard. He's definitely moody, isn't it? That's really good. Well, anyway, I like it anyway. So if you want one, I'm sure that there's plenty over Amazon, eBay, or wherever else. Just go look for them, go find them, go get your own useless box. There are absolutely. Oh, there's one somebody who's plugged into an Arduino, and it does so many different things, it's quite ridiculous. So yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon so you can help out the channel every month. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.